Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you the step-by-step process on how to properly and safely remove a propane tank from your grill. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, DIYers at the grill now, what we'll do is we will reposition it to gain better access to the tank on the back side of our grill. Prior to moving your grill, verify your knobs, handles, dials, whatever you want to call them, are in the fully closed and off position as shown here. At this point, the grill is repositioned. We have much better access to the tank itself. And here is our regulator, connects to the actual tank and the valve. Step number one, verify your tank valve is in the fully closed position. From here, what I'll do is just carefully lift it off the platform of the grill. It's a lot lighter now that it is empty, and we are going to carefully unscrew the regulator from the tank. And you might hear just a little bit of hissing. And there it is. Verify nothing is in here. And if it is dirty, go ahead and clean it prior to installing the new tank. Carefully pull the tank away. And what we will do is take this old tank to our local Ace Hardware and exchange it for a full tank. And as you can see, DIYers, that is extremely easy. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Also, in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to install a new tank on your grill the proper and safe way, definitely check out the link scrolling above.